Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So kusasa iOrlando Pirates iyodlala imatch ebaluleke kakhulu. Yabo le match le ibalulekile bafethu soyidlala eFNB Stadium. Ungakalithenga ithikithi hamba uyolithenga. Sodlala iFirst leg yeChampions League. Yabo CAF Champions League against iPyramids FC. Yabo i-team yase-Egypt yabo sijwayeleke kuyibona ehadulisana nabo Al Ahly nabo Zamalek lapha kwileague yakhona number 1 yabo ishiya bo Al Ahly nabo Zamalek. Yabo i-team nje le eyaziwayo ukuthi iyanikezana inkinga. Basathanda kuguqisa iAsfar kaBhlungu. Basathanda nje kuguqisa iAsfar kaBhlungu kuma quarter finals eCAF Champions League. So sobhekana nabo. So lana ngizoshaya i-lineup prediction. Mase ngithola ithuba mina. I-lineup prediction mina ngayisetha. Mase ngithola ithuba nawe ungangishayela lapha kuma comments ungitshela ukuthi imuphi umdlalo ongamqalisa isiphi squad wena ongasiqalisa mase uthola ithuba kule game yakusasa. Which players do you prefer? Yabo, according to your knowledge about the game edlala iOrlando Pirates. Ungangibhalela lapha kuma comments ungakhohlwa usubscribe uVane Sports. First and foremost, I'll start with the goalkeeper. Hlezi ngikhuluma ngayo Sipho bafethu. Angifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu. Yabo last game we played uButhelezi. Yabo uButhelezi kuyibambile igame ngosikhathi dlala against iMarumo Gallants sakwazi ukuyiwina leyo game. But ke kule game le iCAF Champions League semi-final I'll play uSipho. I don't want to talk a lot about Sipho bafethu. Umchida he has proven in himself kwiOrlando Pirates ukuthi he is the preferred number 1 kwiOrlando Pirates. But I do feel like we need another goalkeeper next season. Maybe who can give Sipho a challenge, because I don't think uButhelezi ukhona kwiOrlando Pirates akamnikeza uSipho a challenge ngaleyo ndlela. Yabo, let's say kulimala uSipho uba ugoalkeeper singamfembezi. But ke asikho lapho. Sipho yena goalkeeper engamqalisa mina kule game yakusasa. My two center backs. Ama center backs wami u2 laba uXoki benosibisi. The reason why ngiqalisa uXoki kule game le sidlala mbajida ba attacker kakhulu bafethu ya attacker ngempela iPyramids FC. So we need i-defense ethe uqina move. I'm not saying uXoki uqinile. Yabo umjida usebuyile. Yes, the first start of his recovery umjida ubesana lawo maflops nyana. Ngiyakhumbula igame Sundowns, but ke umjida wabuya wa recover kahle, useqinile manje ubuyile. So I trust uXoki lapha emove uzokwazi ukucommand i-defense yakhe, and now futhi umjida unayi height. Sidlala namajida abakwazi ukushaya amabhola, ama corner kicks. Hlezi ngikhuluma ama corner kicks kwiOrlando Pirates. We need ama defenders at all azokwazi ukuvimba ama corner kicks, because we cannot defend ama corner kicks. We cannot defend ama set piece because we have short defenders at the back. Yabo abombokazi, yabo sibisi bafishane, they cannot command themselves. Abakwazi ukudefenda ama set pieces. Sibize uMahopa lapha phambili bazokwazi ukusisiza sidefend ama corner kicks. So ukuba khona umdlalo njengoXoki uzokwazi ukwa defender lo ma corner kicks. And futhi I trust uSipho uthi akhulume nama defenders akhe. Yabo communicate nama defenders akhe, awathethise kumele ukudefend ama set pieces, because yenye izinto lezo isihlulekayo ukudefend. Ndihlezi ngikhala ngawo futhi ama set piece. Angazi noma i-coaching staff ayiboni leyo nto leyo. But ke ade sagcina uconsider ngawo. Iyonto engiyithanda ngoOrlando Pirates. The last time we considered this set piece was the goal against Orlando Pirates ngosikhathi sidlala I think sadlala eMarumo Gallants if I'm not mistaken. Yabo iMarumo Gallants is isishango 2-0. That was the last time we considered a set piece goal elakoro Mhango. And elinye engilikhumbulayo ileli lakoro uGrant Kekana ngosikhathi sidlala neSundowns. Masukuthi i-left back yale game yakusasa mina according to me umdlali ngafaka uMbokazi. I'll play uMbokazi, Mbekezeli Mbokazi as the left back position yeOrlando Pirates. Yabo umchida he normally plays as a left center back. The reason why ngimbeka kule position le, he can drift inside the position of ukubi center back and uXoki akhuphuke apushe leya side le ya Van Rooyen basale babe u3 emove. Yabo basale babe u3 at the back. So I trust the boys ukuthi okay, miss attacker bazosala babe u3 kanje. I-right back yami ngaqalisa uVan Rooyen. I'll start Van Rooyen as my right back position. I don't know. Umchida for me uyangidlalela bafethu. Angifuna ukukhuluma uningi ngoVan Rooyen. Umchida useyicementile iposition yakhe kule position. Yebo umchida udlala kamnandi, and abantu abamangisayo to be honest balimele. Yes, I know balimele abadlala abamangisayo. Ukhona uShandu nawo sithanda ukubuya kuinjury. So you cannot trust uShandu that much. So I prefer uVan Rooyen in that position. Into eyodwa nje angayilungisa ukhuphuka kakhulu, because the players we are playing against, they like to punish ama teams menza ama mistakes. Mistake eyodwa soyenza kule game bazosipunisha. Banabadlala abafast phambili. Abo Fiston Mayele, I know Fiston Mayele, they are really looking at this position. They are really looking at this position ya Van Rooyen. Yebo most teams are exposing i-Orlando Pirates in that position because umdlali wethu unokuhamba aye phambili kakhulu abuya akhohlwe iposition yakhe. So umchita kumele akhumbule ukuthi uyi-defender at some point throughout the game. Mase kuthi number 6 yami. Number 6 position I will give umchita lo Makhehleni Makaula. Makhehleni Makaula has been excellent throughout the season. But he has been excellent throughout the season, so I'll allow him to play that position kahle kusasa. Yabo. Uyena umuntu ozokwazi ukugada ama center backs wethu. Yabo, mekukhona nje ibhola elidropayo lapha kulesasisu lesiya. Uyena nje umdlali engimthembayo esusigugula alright ozokwazi ukugugula everything. Mazothi lapha eswini I'll play uMbatha. I'll play uTalente Mbatha even though last game I didn't see the guy maybe ubethintekile asazi noma mhlambe i-team ibimrest. Yabo. Phela bekumele abadlali abaningi sibarest kuleya game iNedbank Cup because we were playing against iMarumo Gallants and bedlalela ukuthi siye kwifinal yeNedbank Cup. So most of our players needed to be rested in that game, but ke ucoach akayibonanga kanjalo. But ke uMbatha yena was one of the players aberestiwe mhlambe ubethintekile asazi. But ke igame yakusasa umdlalo njengoMbatha uyadingakala abafethu. I don't want to lie, the guy he has been playing ibhola elihle. Yabo, he has been playing ibhola elihle. Inkinga yakhe unokuvela abo athinteke nje kancane futhi mase yaphuma second half ama games awamaningi akawaqedi. I saw wish umjito uzokwazi ukudlala kahle kusasa futhi because igame yakusasa kumele siwine noma mhlambe 2 goals or 3 goals. Yebo, abantu abaningi bangaphikisa particular position le mina futhi siswini. uMbatha ngingamdlalisa benomfukeng. uMbatha nomfukeng in this position I'll play them both because umfukeng he's been playing very well in that number 10 position. He's been playing very well in that number 10 position even though asiyoni position yakhe. But umchita usiya kancane usiyayijwayela leya position leya. Yabo, many teams bayamazi umfukeng he likes to drift wide in that left wing position. Yabo, so amateam amaningi ajwayele ukudeploya more defenders in that position just to mark umfukeng. So if we drift umfukeng into a number 10 position, umfukeng lapho umchita uzothola imiyalelo enikezwe ucoach uthi okay sebeyakwazi ukudlala kanjani kuleya position, awuke udlale ngenye indlela la. So I'll play umfukeng yabo alandele i-strike esobe sikhona. Mase kuthi lapha ka left wing ngingadlalisa bani? Ngingadlalisa uDion Hotto. Dion Hotto the guy uyena mdlali esinaye lapha phambili one pace. Uyena mdlali okay let's say umbezele imbokazi uphethe iball and ushaye i-count. Yabo, uyena mdlali uDion Hotto lapha phambili ozokwazi ukusebenzisa i-pace akwazi ukucover iball. Ayekho umdlali kweLorlando Pirates right now kule scheme engisithayo right now on a pace. So Dion Hotto is the only guy engimtrustayo ukuthi akwazi ukuyisebenzisa ipace yakhe and le pitch stadium edlala kusona sinwebekile kakhulu for Orlando Pirates ukuthi sisebenzise ama counter attacks. Mase uthi uTeto Maswanganyi, I'll play uTeto Maswanganyi in the right wing position. Many people will say why umdlalisa as a right wing because asiyoni right wing. Bafethu uTeto Maswanganyi he won't play as a right wing per se. Umchita uzokwazi ukungena phakathi athathe letha spot lesa sokuba number 10. Reason why ngisho njalo it's because uVan Rooyen uzokwazi nokukhuphuka adlale zi right wing. uVan Rooyen uyakwazi ukudlala la position. Yabo, mase si-attacker uVan Rooyen uzokhuphuka ephambili mase umbekezele imbokazi adrope azosiza lama center backs who2 no Makhehleni Makaula naye adrope. Yabo, azosiza lama center backs lawo mathathu mase kuba u4 emuva uTeto Maswanganyi uzodropa. Yabo, azosiza la eswini mase umfukeng akhuphuke lapha. Yabo, angazi noma ngiyangifica yini but uTeto Maswanganyi kumele aqale igame yakusasa. Umchita kumele ayiqala igame yakusasa. He's one of the most creative players we have ku scheme se-Orlando Pirates. Yabo, uyena mchita owenza Orlando Pirates ikwazi ukudlala kahle. But ke angazi wena ungaqalisa bakule position. Yes, I would prefer to start uNkota in that position, but ke kumele sibe nayo umdlalo ozoba i-game changer. We cannot have uTeto Maswanganyi as a game changer. uTeto Maswanganyi akakwazi ukuyishintsha igame, kumele ayiqale each and every game. Mase kuthi number 9. Number 9 ke ngaba controversial, abantu abaningi bavumelane na, but I'll play Makgopa in that position. I'll play Evidence Makgopa in that position. Angazi ungadlalisa ba mhlawumbe ngamdlalisa Mabasa. Yabo, maybe you would start uRadiopan, but Makgopa for me the guy, even though he doesn't give us the goals we need, but if you can check his heat map, he helps the Orlando Pirates when it comes to marking. He helps the Orlando Pirates when it comes to like ucreate ama chances uyasiza Mjidela so create ama chances inkinga yakhe uyena umdlali okumele akore akuyena umdlali okumele create ama chances maybe sinenkinga lapha kulabadlali ekumele ba create ama chances for ama forwards wethu yabo mhlambe iyona issue kumele siyicheck le